Hi everyone, my name is Afi Aiman. So, in this video I would like to talk about the environmental problem, which is water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually caused by the human activities, in such a manner that negatively affects its legitimate users. Water pollution reduces the ability of the body of water to provide the ecosystem services that it would otherwise provide. Water pollution results when contaminants are introduced into these water bodies. As a result, many aquatic species lost their habitats, while non-aquatic animals suffer from drinking contaminated water, and human itself will suffering by lack of water sources. The main point I would like to highlight is the rubbish that have been thrown like plastics will definitely kills fish, birds, marine mammals and sea turtles, and even destroys their own habitat. This is something that we need to aware to stop that from happening. The purpose of this project is to develop a device that will pick up the rubbish that have been thrown into the water. So, I would like to pass the introduction of our design to Amir Irfan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to everyone. I'm Muhammad Amir Irfan bin Azmi. Want to introduce our innovation to you. Nowadays, many Malaysians that not responsible always throw trash in the lake and sea. Thus, pollute it. We create an innovation that can create a clean, happy and green environment around the lake and sea. It is to keep the expectation of tourists about surrounding in Malaysia lake and sea.
For our design, we have a remote control boat to move freely in the lake and water.
The design must have a big base to increase stability of the boat. When stability increase, the boat can accommodate to or carry more trash. This is to improve the cleanliness of the lake because of the floating trash.
We also have a retainer at the back and front of the boat to support the boat if the burden to the boat is overflowing. Lastly, we designed this trash trap with the catch nets that connect to a wired frame to maintain its size when moving on the water. This is our sketch design for the innovation.
The material that we use is remote control boat that have strong stability,
Live wire that have buoyancy to act as the retainer of the boat, fine wire that are flexible and can be bent to any shape,
net that use nylon as material.
Nylon is a synthetic thermoplastic linear polyimide that used for a variety of application. Nylon is a better material than other to face the water force in the lake, and it is also long-lasting material.
The length of the net is between 50 to 100 cm according to the size of boat. Thank you.
So in conclusion, this device is more effectively used in lake and sea because both does not have a constant flow like river. So our device can help to reduce the water pollution in terms of physical waste. Even though we cannot remove the chemical waste from the sea and lake, at least we can provide a more clean water for the creatures to live. In addition, by keeping our ocean clean, we also get to improve our economy because we can attract more tourists to come to visit our beautiful sea, and they're much more likely to spend money at business near the beaches.
As we know, sea is habitat for sea creatures, therefore, we need to keep our sea creatures from extinction. Some of the endangered species are turtle and Hawaiian monk seal. Therefore, by cleaning the sea, we can prevent them from eating those plastic bags or get tangled by the plastic. Other than that, sea creatures are also one of the main sources for our protein. So, to ensure that we have a long-lasting protein sources, we must make sure that our ocean is always clean from those rubbish.
Lastly, we can say that our device is different from any others because our device is manual controlled. Therefore, there is no unwanted error such as accidentally destroy the coral reef. Also, since the device is manual controlled, you will need a person to control it. Indirectly, this will open a new job opportunities for local people. So, we can reduce the unemployment rate in our country. Finally, I can say that our device does not only give benefit for water creatures, but it is also give benefit for the people. That's all from us. Thank you.